Hello, and welcome back to English Joy.
Hi, everybody. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Hi, everyone. It's so good to see you.
I'm Alex.
And I'm Mia.
So, Mia, what are we going to learn today?
English conversation at work. First day in the office.
It's my first day today. I woke up early, checked my phone 3 times, and honestly, I'm a little nervous.
That's totally normal. First days are always like that. Take a deep breath. You'll be fine.
Thanks. I keep thinking about what to say when I walk in. I don't want to sound awkward.
You don't need perfect English. You just need clear, simple English. Trust me.
Okay, I'm walking into the office now.
Good morning. Welcome to Bright Tech Solutions. How can I help you?
Good morning. My name is Alex. Today is my first day.
Oh, great. Welcome, Alex. We've been expecting you. How are you feeling?
I'm doing well, thank you. A little nervous, but excited.
That's completely normal on your first day. Please have a seat for a moment, and I'll let your manager know you're here.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
No problem at all. Would you like some water or coffee while you wait?
Water would be great, thank you.
Here you go. So, Alex, is this your first job in this field?
Yes, it is. I've studied and trained for a while, but this is my first full-time position.
That's exciting. Everyone starts somewhere. We're glad to have you here.
That means a lot. Thank you for saying that.
All right, your manager's ready to see you. Follow me.
Sure.
Hi, Alex. Welcome to the team. I'm Mia. I'll be working closely with you.
Nice to meet you, Mia. Thank you for this opportunity.
You're welcome. And please, just call me Mia. No need to be so formal.
All right, Mia. Nice to meet you.
How was your commute this morning?
It was good, actually. Traffic wasn't too bad, so I arrived a bit early.
That's good to hear. Let me show you around the office and introduce you to how things work here.
That would be great. Thank you.
This is the main workspace. Most of the team sits here. It's usually pretty quiet in the morning and busier after lunch.
I see. It feels comfortable and friendly.
That's what we aim for. If you ever need anything, don't hesitate to ask.
Thanks. I'll keep that in mind.
Over here is the break area. People usually grab coffee, chat a bit, or take a short break.
Nice. It's good to have a place like this.
Absolutely. Now, before we get started, do you have any questions so far?
Not yet. Everything seems clear.
Great. Then let's get you settled at your desk.
Sounds good.
Ne-
This desk looks great. I like that it's near the window.
Yeah, you got a good spot. Natural light helps a lot, especially on busy days.
I agree. It makes the space feel more open.
All right, let's get you logged in. Here's your computer. Your username and temporary password are written on this note.
Got it. Should I change the password right away?
Yes, that's a good idea. Just choose something easy for you to remember, but hard for others to guess.
Okay, I'll do that now.
Take your time. No rush on the first day.
Thanks. I appreciate that. It helps me feel less stressed.
That's good. Feeling comfortable is important. So while you're setting up, I'll explain what your role looks like day to day.
Sounds good. I'm listening.
As a project coordinator, you'll mainly help track tasks, communicate with different teams, and make sure deadlines are clear.
Okay, so a lot of communication.
Exactly. Emails, short meetings, and quick messages. Nothing too complicated.
That sounds manageable.
If you're ever unsure about something, it's totally okay to ask. We prefer questions over mistakes.
That's good to know. Sometimes I worry about asking too many questions.
Don't worry about that here. Asking questions shows you care about doing a good job.
That makes me feel more confident already.
Good. By the way, after you finish setting up, I'll introduce you to a few teammates sitting nearby.
All right, I'm almost done now.
Perfect timing. Let's stand up and say hello.
Okay, I'm ready.
Hey everyone, this is Alex. Today is his first day with us.
Hi everyone, nice to meet you.
Alex will be working closely with our team on upcoming projects.
I'm really happy to be here and excited to work with all of you.
This is a friendly group, so feel free to jump into conversations anytime.
Thank you. I'll do my best.
All right, let's grab a quick coffee before we start the morning meeting.
That sounds great. I could use some coffee.
Trust me, everyone here says that on their first day.
That makes me feel like I'm already part of the team.
You are, and this is just the beginning.
I'm looking forward to it.
Let's go.
This coffee smells really good.
It does, right? It's kind of our unofficial fuel around here.
I can see why. So how long have you been working here?
Almost 4 years now. Time really flies when you're busy.
Wow, that's a long time. You must know the company really well.
I do, and that's why I like helping new people settle in.
I really appreciate that. Starting a new job can be overwhelming.
Definitely. But you're doing great so far.
Thanks, that means a lot.
All right, your manager's ready to see you. Follow me.
Sure.
Hi, Alex. Welcome to the team. I'm Mia. I'll be working closely with you.
Nice to meet you, Mia. Thank you for this opportunity.
You're welcome. And please, just call me Mia. No need to be so formal.
All right, Mia. Nice to meet you.
How was your commute this morning?
It was good, actually. Traffic wasn't too bad, so I arrived a bit early.
That's good to hear. Let me show you around the office and introduce you to how things work here.
That would be great. Thank you.
This is the main workspace. Most of the team sits here. It's usually pretty quiet in the morning and busier after lunch.
I see. It feels comfortable and friendly.
That's what we aim for. If you ever need anything, don't hesitate to ask.
Thanks. I'll keep that in mind.
Over here is the break area. People usually grab coffee, chat a bit, or take a short break.
Nice. It's good to have a place like this.
Absolutely. Now, before we get started, do you have any questions so far?
Not yet. Everything seems clear.
Great. Then let's get you settled at your desk.
Sounds good.
Ne-
This desk looks great. I like that it's near the window.
Yeah, you got a good spot. Natural light helps a lot, especially on busy days.
I agree. It makes the space feel more open.
All right, let's get you logged in. Here's your computer. Your username and temporary password are written on this note.
Got it. Should I change the password right away?
Yes, that's a good idea. Just choose something easy for you to remember, but hard for others to guess.
Okay, I'll do that now.
Take your time. No rush on the first day.
Thanks. I appreciate that. It helps me feel less stressed.
That's good. Feeling comfortable is important. So while you're setting up, I'll explain what your role looks like day to day.
Sounds good. I'm listening.
As a project coordinator, you'll mainly help track tasks, communicate with different teams, and make sure deadlines are clear.
Okay, so a lot of communication.
Exactly. Emails, short meetings, and quick messages. Nothing too complicated.
That sounds manageable.
If you're ever unsure about something, it's totally okay to ask. We prefer questions over mistakes.
That's good to know. Sometimes I worry about asking too many questions.
Don't worry about that here. Asking questions shows you care about doing a good job.
That makes me feel more confident already.
Good. By the way, after you finish setting up, I'll introduce you to a few teammates sitting nearby.
All right, I'm almost done now.
Perfect timing. Let's stand up and say hello.
Okay, I'm ready.
Hey everyone, this is Alex. Today is his first day with us.
Hi everyone, nice to meet you.
Alex will be working closely with our team on upcoming projects.
I'm really happy to be here and excited to work with all of you.
This is a friendly group, so feel free to jump into conversations anytime.
Thank you. I'll do my best.
All right, let's grab a quick coffee before we start the morning meeting.
That sounds great. I could use some coffee.
Trust me, everyone here says that on their first day.
That makes me feel like I'm already part of the team.
You are, and this is just the beginning.
I'm looking forward to it.
Let's go.
This coffee smells really good.
It does, right? It's kind of our unofficial fuel around here.
I can see why. So, how long have you been working here?
Almost 4 years now. Time really flies when you're busy.
Wow, that's a long time. You must know the company really well.
I do, and that's why I like helping new people settle in.
I really appreciate that. Starting a new job can be overwhelming.
Definitely. But you're doing great so far.
Thanks. That means a lot.
All right, your manager's ready to see you. Follow me.
Sure.
Hi, Alex. Welcome to the team. I'm Mia. I'll be working closely with you.
Nice to meet you, Mia. Thank you for this opportunity.
You're welcome. And please, just call me Mia. No need to be so formal.
All right, Mia. Nice to meet you.
How was your commute this morning?
It was good, actually. Traffic wasn't too bad, so I arrived a bit early.
That's good to hear. Let me show you around the office and introduce you to how things work here.
That would be great. Thank you.
This is the main workspace. Most of the team sits here. It's usually pretty quiet in the morning and busier after lunch.
I see. It feels comfortable and friendly.
That's what we aim for. If you ever need anything, don't hesitate to ask.
Thanks. I'll keep that in mind.
Over here is the break area. People usually grab coffee, chat a bit, or take a short break.
Nice. It's good to have a place like this.
Absolutely. Now, before we get started, do you have any questions so far?
Not yet. Everything seems clear.
Great. Then let's get you settled at your desk.
Sounds good. This desk looks great. I like that it's near the window.
Yeah, you got a good spot. Natural light helps a lot, especially on busy days.
I agree. It makes the space feel more open.
All right, let's get you logged in. Here's your computer. Your username and temporary password are written on this note.
Got it. Should I change the password right away?
Yes, that's a good idea. Just choose something easy for you to remember, but hard for others to guess.
Okay, I'll do that now.
Take your time. No rush on the first day.
Thanks. I appreciate that. It helps me feel less stressed.
That's good. Feeling comfortable is important. So while you're setting up, I'll explain what your role looks like day to day.
Sounds good. I'm listening.
As a project coordinator, you'll mainly help track tasks, communicate with different teams, and make sure deadlines are clear.
Okay, so a lot of communication.
Exactly. Emails, short meetings, and quick messages. Nothing too complicated.
That sounds manageable.
If you're ever unsure about something, it's totally okay to ask. We prefer questions over mistakes.
That's good to know. Sometimes I worry about asking too many questions.
Don't worry about that here. Asking questions shows you care about doing a good job.
That makes me feel more confident already.
Good. By the way, after you finish setting up, I'll introduce you to a few teammates sitting nearby.
All right, I'm almost done now.
Perfect timing. Let's stand up and say hello.
Okay, I'm ready.
Hey everyone, this is Alex. Today is